tool we're going to go over today is called the bandsaw. This is a bandsaw right here. One thing you have to make sure is before you even go back here is you have all your lines clearly marked. Now, this is your blade guide right here. You want to make sure that your blade guide is 1/8 of an inch above what it is you're going to cut. Now remember, you're going to cut through all of the lines that you've drawn. Alright? So when you operate this, you want to make sure that this is flat against the table, and you also want to make sure that you keep the stock away from the blade. So, here's what I'm going to do now. Got my goggles on. I'm going to turn this on. Right? It's on the full speed. You also want to make sure it extends to the right-hand side, because obviously if you try to extend to the right-hand side, you're not going to have room. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first cut through